Alright, so I'm installing this harness bar. It's adjustable, meant for any car, from Braum, and I'm doing it on an SC300. Doesn't matter the year, Sora, SC400, whatever. Anyways, you're taking the seatbelt off, completely removing it. You're going to keep the hardware, okay? And then you're going to want to get yourself some new grade 8. That comes with the kit. Just get it a little bit longer for each piece. Get some washers and lock nuts, just whatever you think will feel safe for you. Or you can just run the whatever gear, it doesn't matter. But when you take this off, you're gonna have to kind of bust that off. I just used some strength and broke it off. But you need this spacer, and what's cool about it is it has like a custom, or not custom, but you know, like an OEM lock that goes into this. You're gonna want to get another washer here as well, because when you remove all this, you're taking some space out from where the buckle actually set, and you kind of like push it out a little bit. So I'm doing this a second time because the first time I did it was pretty simple and everyone has trouble with it. So I'm going to make a video for you guys to do this correctly, so that way we can all have some nice harness bars. To start out, you're going to want to get these on, but not too tight, enough to where you can move it up and down and side to side. That way you can get it to adjust correctly. Start with the passenger side like I did, just for simplicity. You're also going to want to put this down here on first as well. And you can get this down tight, but just a little loose, so you're able to move it just a little bit. And you want to stretch it out a little bit. As you notice here, you can stretch these threads out just like an adjustable control arm or any other adjustable piece. You just twist them out, okay? And then once you get these on here nice and loose, you're able to slide this on and put your bolt in. This right here will be hanging down, so don't worry about that. Just put this bolt in and it threads in, right? So you're going to want to thread it in and then jump over to this side and do it there. And then you're going to want to tighten these down. After you do all that, you want to tighten these down all the way, and then tighten these down all the way. And then it'll be nice and snug at the correct position it needs to be. Then you can just pull this bad boy out. And remember, I said keep it loose so that you're able to pull it. It takes some strength. So just pull it and get it like matched up as much as possible. And shove your bolts through there. Tighten them down. And dude, you're good to go. That's it. There's not much to this.